Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are enjoying these videos. This is Shabir Hussain Bhatti and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel. Today we will see the data entry tips and tricks. So how can we easily enter the data without typing through keyboard? So this is our objective and we will see how to achieve this objective. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and share this video with your friend and family members. So I have just divided the data entry tricks into 6 different parts. The one is number series. So we will see how to generate the different series of numbers without typing from keyboard. After that, week name. If I need to enter the week names, so instead of typing the week name, how can I automatically receive or drag and drop the data to get my week number, what month name, week name, data date change series, month change series, or a year change series. Let us see. So this is the example of a number series. If I need to repeat the same number or counting or even odd numbers or with any interval 5, 10, 20, 3, 5, 8, any number, so we will see how to generate this type of series through Google Spreadsheet. Secondly, names. Week name, either I need to type the full week name or short form in lower, capital, proper, so all the options are there. Same thing here for month. We can get or input the month name without typing through the keyboard. And then finally, date, month change or the year change. So in the first column you can see the date changes, in the second column month is changing, and then in third column you can see the year is changing. It is now practice time. Let's go back to the spreadsheet and we will see how to input these series without typing the data into spreadsheet. The first example is, you can see here, if I want to type this word multiple time, no need to type every time. What I will do, just drag it, so it will give me the input without typing. Okay, so if I need the last number or the first number to be repeated, so what I will do, I will just select it and then drag. The same here, drag. So it will give me the same, with the same pattern, the input, it will give me the same input as per the pattern. Now if I know I need the same number, what I need to do, if I will drag just this number, it will give me the same number repeatedly. Okay, if I need counting, just in the first cell 1, in the second cell 2, and then drag it. After that, you can see here, I need to know the interval between two number, the 6 interval, so type 6, 12 and then drag it. If I need to update or enter the odd numbers, just drag. In the same way, if I need to type the even numbers, type 2, 4 and then drag it. It should not start from 2, you can start from any number, for example 4 and then 6, and then you can drag it. Okay, for the name series, just type any name of the week and then just drag it. It will follow the same pattern. If it is capital, then capital. If it is lower, then lower. If the name is short form. Okay, let us have an example of the first letter capital and then just drag it. It will give us the same input. Same thing with the month, you can just select the all and then drag one time, it will work as well. and then date change. By default, the change is a date. You can see the every new column, every new row will have the next date. Here you can see again the date is changing, but I don't need the date, I need to change the month. Then select the both input where you have a difference of a month and then drag it. Here you have a difference of in year, just drag it, it will give you the year changing in every next row. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let us go back to presentation. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please hit the like button if you really like this video. Share this video with your friend and family members if you really learn something from this video. Jazakallah khair. And also send me your feedback through the comment. I will review and I will be back with you. Shukriya. Thank you.